Hi, welcome to Sense Blood Online class. Alright, okay, let's quickly attend to these questions we have on the board for today. Okay, now the first question says if 3 out of 6 people are to be selected and arranged in a line, how many arrangements are possible? How many arrangements are possible? Alright, this is the first question. Now I'm going over to the second question, which says what is the value of, all right, this is what 7 combination was 3. Okay, now upon the first question, which is this out of this is heading towards what? Permutation. You understand? Permutation. You understand? When you talk about arrangement, you can still recall your mind on the topic known as permutation. When you talk about arrangement deals with permutation, but selection deals with combination. Okay, let's quickly solve the first one. Okay, now therefore, for you to solve this question, you're going to recall your mind on the mathematical expression of what, or algebraic expression of permutation problem, in the sense that using a formula which is n factorial all over, open a bracket, n minus r factorial. Okay, yes, depends on the nature of the question. This r can be anything, can be x, can be w, can be what, can be any alphabet. All right, take note of this. Therefore, from the question given to us, can now say that our n is equals 6 because n is always the total values or factors given to you. Then your r is now what, 3. So substitute this from this formula, can now say that we have that 6 factorial all over, open a bracket, 6 minus r close, 6 minus 3 factorial. Okay, so to simplify further, we can now say that 6 factorial all over 6 minus 3 will give us 3 multiplied by this sign outside, which is factorial. We are left with what? 3 factorial. Okay, please pay attention. Okay, so let me continue from here. Can I say that then splitting this 6 factorial, we now have that 6 times 5 times 4 multiplied by 3 factorial. Okay, please pay attention. Then the next thing is what? All over 3 factorial. And I believe 3 factorial can cancel 3 factorial. Then 6 times 5 will give us, that should give us 30. And 30 multiplied by 4 will give us 120. So 120 is final answer for this question number 1. Alright, let us move over to question number 2. Then, and this one will also help us apply the formula concerning that are suitable for combination. Okay, please. All right, now which is n factorial all over, open a bracket, n minus r close bracket factorial r factorial. Okay, now from our values, let's look up somewhere here. Our n here is 7, while our r here is 3. Okay, so to simplify further, we can say that 7 factorial all over, open a bracket, 7 take away 3 close bracket factorial 3 factorial. Then this will now give us what? 7 factorial. Okay, please, let me continue from here so that we see it very well. So we can now say that 7 factorial all over 7 minus 3 will give us what? 4. Remember this factorial outside, so multiply, you have 4 factorials multiplied by what? What is left here is 3 factorial. So On this stage, we can simplify further by saying, splitting the numerator, we have 7 multiplied by 6 multiplied by 5 multiplied by 4 factorial. Yes, everything all over 4 factorial multiplied by 3 times 2 times 1. Okay, so you don't have to waste much of the time here. 4 factorial can cancel 4 factorial here. So the next thing is what? This is what? 7 times the 6 will give us 42 times 5 will give us 210. Okay, will give us 210. Let me put it somewhere here, please. 210 all over. What remaining here is what? 2 times 3 times 2 times 1, which is what? 6. Okay, and 210 divided by 6 will give us automatically 35 as your final answer for the second question. All right, so please look at it very well. If there's any place you don't understand or you have any question, drop it on the comment section, and also wait for my next video on this. Or if there's any question you want me to treat under combination and permutation, please can also chat me on the number showing on your screen, and or you can as well drop it on the comment section so that I will attend to it anytime, because I'm always available to give you the best. I remain your science blood, always there to give you what you need in terms of chemistry, physics, maths, biology. Okay, so hit any question of your choice on the comment section. I will attend to it with immediate effect. I love you. Bye bye.